Now moving on to lower, this is a very similar conversation. So let's do the lower arch here. Okay, now what is the determinant on where you can place the implants in the lower? On the mandible is where the sinus is. So sinus tends to be on the premolar, somewhere here, somewhere here. So in your classic all-on-4, you want to try to avoid the nerves and place implants here, and then place 2 implants in the front. This is your classic all-on-4. But similar to the top, what happens is we don't get the teeth far back enough, and the further back we go, we create cantilever. So what we're doing here at Smile Now is replacing really small, short implants towards the back here, and whatever bone we could find. Not all cases can do it, but the vast majority of cases, we're able to find small implant spaces in the back here where we're able to get them and still avoid that nerve. And in doing this, we're able to get the implants far back and have all the teeth. So again, it's not just the number of implants, it's the location in which they're placed. Some people might try sneaking a couple extra here. And again, studies show this has no long-term benefit to the patient. So if you're gonna get 6 implants, make sure you get them in the right position.